So put the one side on, screwed it all on from the insides. Had it clamped for a bit, and then I switched over to sides. Um, it's pretty darn good. It's looking good. Um, I need another clamp, unfortunately, because I have them all stuck there that I can't do with my other 45s until these are done. So I think I'm going to let this sit for a while because these are really important walls, or the outside walls, since they're so long, just for the flex purposes. So I am going to let this glue sit for a bit. But box is coming along very nicely. That's the dividing wall with the port. Unfortunately, one thing I found so far with a lot of these car audio companies, for some, that's the top there. Can you tell which ones have glass in it, which one doesn't? Pretty cool, right? This one has glass. This one goes through the wood, as you can see. This one here is glass, as you can see my fingerprints go on it. Pretty darn, oh, you can see the reflection actually now. But yeah, from here though, you can't really tell. So that's how it turned out. That's epoxy. So from a distance, it looks really good. You know, up personal and close for half of the price. You know, you can't complain. You could if you're, what, flawless, but then if you scuff your plexiglass, it's hard to fix that. You could just re-pour another layer over top of it. And it's tabletop, so it's pretty scratch resistant. And it doesn't change color with UV rays. But anyways, and that's only just under a ½ inch. I had a 300-pound clamp on it. That bitch didn't move. By accident, I was squeezing this window here. I didn't realize I had one on here, and it was literally clamped. Sorry, it was that back window because I had the clamp on this side. Didn't realize on the back side that I was on that glass there, and literally it did not pop that out at all, and I was fully clamped on it. So that goes to prove to you that this is strong and you don't have to go as thick. So it's really cool because you can see this is 3/4. You can see how much that actually goes to if I put my thumb in there. Literally, look how much is there, and that's how much glass is on there. So literally like the second ply, I would say the glass only comes to about here out of all of it. So it's not even halfway through, not even 3/8, so like a 1/4 inch. I am going to put more on it just because it just works out better anyways, and the customer paid for the product, all the materials that are going into this. So I'd rather overkill, and if there's anything left over from that point, we'll have leftovers. But for now, make sure that it is properly done. So, but yeah, it's coming along very nicely. Just waiting for that. I did put, so when I showed you the things before, these, they fit in, but just to make sure they're extra good, I notched these. That way that they don't touch that at all, and it holds that into place. That way I get nice seals all the way along there, like so. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Looks pretty darn good. And we'll just wait for this to finish clamping up, and then we'll go from there.